What up, what up, what up? Welcome back to the channel. This is Wealth Frequency. You're listening to Justin Jack Bear talking about the Internet Computer Protocol because why this innovation, revolutionary technology is winning, being adopted worldwide by countries, governments, and probably soon major industries and corporations and big legacy tech integrations. Cybersecurity is no longer needed when you deploy websites and apps on the Internet Computer Protocol. Why? Because chain key cryptography is built into the blockchain, the only blockchain in the world that you can run full stack websites, apps, games, software. So if cybersecurity is no longer needed, where money is being moved and being exploited for 10 trillion a year cybercrime industry, why wouldn't you build on the world computer? You don't even need to know how to code. You just tell caffeine.ai what you want for a website, for an app, for games, and it builds it. The first prompt is done in like 5 minutes. So it's all chain key cryptography that is stopping cybercrime in its tracks. So all the hundreds of millions of dollars a year, if not billions, on cybersecurity with governments and countries worldwide is no longer needed. Because one, you can click a button and get your own cloud. Cloud engines are coming. And two, cybersecurity is built in to the World Internet Computer Protocol, which means you don't have to think about it. You don't have to worry about it. And you can build websites, apps, games without needing to worry about paying extra for features for cybercrime or cybersecurity. You don't have to think about it. So when the world wakes up, this fucked up world wakes up, and they realize that you no longer need cybersecurity when you deploy your information, data, websites, apps, and games on the Internet Computer Protocol, which anybody can build on. In fact, there's a team in North Africa that's developed chain key orchestration so all blockchains can run on or work with the Internet Computer Protocol, which means that digital assets, information, and money doesn't leave the different blockchains or ecosystem. It just communicates and validates in real time with near instant finality. And that's called chain key orchestration. And it's only possible on the Internet Computer Protocol. So cybercrime is a thing of the past. Do not invest in cybercrime or cybersecurity technology because it's no longer needed. So when the world wakes up and realizes that cybersecurity is not a feature, is not an add-on, that's when the world will understand that the Internet Computer Protocol is the Internet 2.0. Pretty simple, folks. So, while the Internet Computer Protocol is out developing every other blockchain combined, it's out developing Bitcoin network, it's out developing Ethereum network. Why? Because it's so easy. The barrier to entry to deploy a website on the Internet Computer is zero when you go to caffeine.ai, sign up for an account, and build your ideas. Super simple. It's amazing. Unbelievable. It's the future. It's the full stack blockchain that you don't have to think about cybersecurity. It's a full stack blockchain that runs apps natively, that doesn't move tokens or data or information across blockchains with oracles and bridges or wrappers that get exploited during transactions when moving digital asset data and information and crypto from one trust zone to another trust zone. Ethereum will always only be a Web 2 network because it runs off of Amazon Cloud Services. And the world computer is a public internet. It's a cloud that's decentralized, that is not owned by anybody. And you can't shut down what you can't control. So when everybody starts moving and building on the world computer, this is where true data sovereignty, true digital asset and digital identity sovereignty exists. And it's rolling out in real time right now. Tens of thousands of nodes being deployed worldwide, removing the dependency on centralized data centers. Think of it as tens of thousands of computer nodes that operate the internet and make it run persistently 24/7, 365 without the need of big tech cloud industry data centers who already own and control all your information, all your passwords, usernames. Hey, buddy. So, where are you going to build? Internet Computer Protocol is the future. It is here. And it's doing everything that none of the other blockchains or big legacy tech can do or will do because they're already behind. We're way ahead of the future of the digital information technology, telecommunications, and internet because we're already running. We're already up and running and we're already building. So the question is, again, why do you want to worry about cybersecurity or losing your money in crypto? Everything is being digitized. All money is being digitized. X platform is coming out with crypto where you can send and share crypto across their platform. A platform that you have no control over, a platform where they own your data and information, a platform where you're going to keep your money and your crypto in your wallets that is owned by X. And then they're going to send data centers into space to solve the cooling problem for data centers. That's a novel idea. Again, owned by X. All your data and information now is in space. And again, you don't own any of that information or data. And in fact, if you go to ID.ai, which is the digital identity that you can own your password and your username, you never have to enter that information again. Go and upgrade your logins. Just like your phone, your device, your laptop, your face and your fingerprint are your biometric key to unlock your device. Well, the ID.ai is the key to log into all platforms, all social media, everything, all apps, without having you need to put in a password or a username, which removes the major, most single point of attack for phishing scams, for hackers. That's when you have to put the information into the system for the platform. So, ID.ai, get yourself an internet identity. Caffeine.ai, go and launch your own website without having to worry about cybercrime because cybersecurity is built in with chain key technology. Boom, that's Web 3. Web 3 that no other blockchain can replicate. Web 3 where you own all your information and data and you don't have to move your data or crypto or money or digital assets from network to network. Chain key technology allows chain key orchestration for making transactions with the real world. So information, data, and money is not moved from one trust zone to another trust zone. Your digital assets, digital identity, money, information, data doesn't move from the network at all. And it works with every other blockchain in the world. And it works with every other real world asset and payment system in the world. So the future is here, folks. What are you waiting for?